friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how can we generate voucher codes for guests, Wi-Fi or Unifi network users. So, let's start. At first, we need to log in Unifi server. After logging into Unifi Dream Machine, you can see there are many options. From this, you need to click on Network. After this, you can see details of network status with different information, including device quantity, clients and etc. I can see there is 24 guest user connected with Unifi or Wi-Fi network. We also find here all of the other important options in Dream Machines, as like map, device, client, insights, and etc. Now goes to Setting option and click on Wireless Network. After click, we can see all SSID for Wi-Fi network. Now, if we want to generate voucher code for guest user, then we need to follow below instructions. Click on Guest Control. After this, click on Go to Hotspot Manager. We can see total guest user and voucher list in this options. For generate new voucher for guest user in Unifi Dream Machine, click on Voucher, then Create Voucher. After type voucher quantity, then cost voucher quota as per your requirement. After this, select timeline and write something about this voucher, then click on Save. You can see, one voucher code is generated, as per my requirement. Now I can use this voucher. I can also remove this voucher code by Revoke options. We can create many voucher at a time, as per our requirement. If you have any query about Unifi Dream Machine, please type me in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.